Hi there, my name's Krish. I'm the UK North and International Account Manager for Haymar Company Limited. Welcome to our product spotlight and demonstration today. So today we are excited to introduce you to the Steinel HG2620 tool. So this tool will revolutionize the way that you work and it will increase your productivity levels. So this is the HG2620 by Steinel. This tool has been designed to simplify your tasks and save you valuable time. Whether you are a professional or a student, this tool will become your ultimate companion. Some of the key benefits of using this tool: the brushless motor is rated for a good 10,000 hours and more of work. The LCD display with temperature display show the temperature in 10 degrees C steps, making it incredibly easy to assess how much heat the gun is outputting. This 2,300 watt heat gun features a digital temperature adjustment by joystick from 50 degrees C to 700 degrees C. Easy enough to operate with one hand. And it also features a key feature is the safety light that flashes even when unplugged to let you know that it is still above 40 degrees Celsius. So very, very good safety feature there for you. So no matter what industry you're in, this tool will adapt to your needs. It's an absolute game changer and it will streamline your workflow, boost your productivity and ultimately help you achieve your goals more efficiently. And a key thing to add is that this tool also, we do provide a service and repair service for you. So thank you for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed this product spotlight and demonstration of the Steinel HG2620 tool. If you would like more information about this tool, please do not hesitate to contact us. One of our team will be more than happy to provide you with all the information that you need. So thank you once again for joining us, and you have a productive day.